Let's take a look at these magnetic helping hands. This kit comes with many useful magnetic and flexible attachments. The base plate, which all the attachments attach to, is made of a thick metal slab and is nice and hefty. This is the larger clamp, and like all the other pieces, it's made of metal and feels very solid. These are the 4 flexible metal gooseneck arms to help keep your hands free. And you also get an extra set of tips. Here is the 360-degree rotating bracket. The arm can be positioned into any form with just a single knob for adjustment. Quick and easy. Here are the 4 pillar holders. They can be positioned anywhere to help hold things up. And last but not least, the magnifying glass with the built-in LED light to help illuminate your project. You'll also get a quick instruction manual with illustrations and installation steps. I'll go ahead and stick on the included rubber feet for the metal base and begin positioning all the attachments on top of it. Attaching the tips onto the gooseneck arms is straightforward. You simply insert the clamps and lock them in with thumb screws. I really love how easy it is to position all of these attachments exactly how you want them when using magnets. Here is the controller for the magnifying glass. You have buttons to turn the light on and off, increase or decrease the brightness, and to toggle through the various color temperature modes. These helping hands have become the star of my electronic setup. It has become essential for any sort of soldering I need to do. And the magnifying glass helps me easily see what I'm doing, helping me speed through all the soldering without mistakes. I highly recommend these helping hand system for both hobbyists like me as well as professionals who can use it every day. Thanks for watching.